EZbra is an all-in-one disposable breast dressing designed to meet post-op requirements for patients and healthcare professionals. Apply EZbra immediately post-op. Open the sterile pouch and unfold EZbra. Place EZbra flat on the stretcher and ensure that it is positioned to the right height. Make sure the straight part of the elastic back is facing downwards. Transfer the patient to the stretcher. Insert EZbra's panels under the patient's arms and pull the device gently upwards. Cross the panels and attach the lower panel first, then attach the upper panel, applying the desired degrees of compression and support to each cup separately. EZbra can also be used in cases of asymmetry. Use the upper adjusting straps as a bandeau to help fixate implants and the lower adjusting straps to support the breast folds. The upper adjusting straps are also designed to secure the drain tubes, and the lower adjusting straps secure and carry the drain bulbs. You can always increase or decrease the compression levels and shape requirements by readjusting each of EZbra's panels and adjusting straps. EZbra allows you to support your patients even better. EZbra. Recover with dignity.